Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check your old comments on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Facebook app on your phone and then tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner of your screen to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now scroll down a bit and right here, you'll be able to find an option of activity log. In your activity section, you'll have to tap on activity log and it will take you to this page. And now you'll have to tap on your Facebook activity, then tap on manage comments and reactions. Now you'll have to tap on filters on the top left and then hit categories, then tap on comments. Now you'll be able to find all the comments that you've done on your Facebook account, and you can easily find them with the date and year. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.